Previously on Shedtune.
Welcome back to Shedtune and welcome back to the HQ. We're still doing the build. We've got to do some welding, some grinding, some bits and pieces and some measuring up tonight.
One of the Radio X.
Don't ask.
And you won't get.
You don't really want to know what he's doing. Is it that bad?
Yeah. £20.
Success. How much did it weigh?
£20.
What's that in real money?
Look, there you go. Good old.
On the sundial, it says, there you go, £20.
£20. So what's that?
I've no idea.
2.2 kilos per pound.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. 2.2 kilos to the pound. No idea. And so that means...
Google will tell us.
Yeah. If you know what it is, tell us, because we ain't got a clue.
Oh, we will have by the time we find it.
So there you have it. It's now chrome because we're going to be modding it up. So the plan is now we're going to go round it, weld up all the little holes that we don't niggly want, and just check any welds that we're not too happy with, and then probably just clean them up and re-weld them, ready to weld bits on, like this bit, which will go on something like that ish.
One I prepared earlier.
It's amazing what you find in the shed, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go, the new Sprinter's ready.
Yep, all done. Lightweight.
So we've just got the other frame on the bench and we started measuring for well, welding various bits and pieces on. Although the arms have been cut on the back here, we've got some other arms to weld back on, which we will. Now we've taken some measurements off of the frame. It means that we can just work out where this has got to be welded back on, and then the front struts, and then the rear legs, and then we can crack on. You're probably wondering what we're doing.
Probably not.
We probably are. So what we've done is we've got this frame that we're going to take measurements off, and we've got it set up so that it's as level as possible. We've measured from this point to here on the other side as well. Well, I say we, Dom has, so that everything
What's that?
is as level as possible. And then what we're going to do is make some measurements and markings, and then transfer that onto the other frame. Yeah, so Barry White's with us.
Ladies.
Go on then, just tell him what you were going to tell me.
No, that's for us.
Oh yeah, okay.
Basically, we're going to mark various points because we don't know. So take like there, there, there. That way it gives us the centre line of the tube on both sides. Then we can do from there, there, there. Engine mounting. Basically everything. We get as much as information as we can transferred onto there. So in theory, when we put that frame over the top, we can literally have a little stand holding this up in the position, weld it, same drop heights. That's the theory.
Good.
That's assuming that this is straight.
Well, true. Well, we'll find out in a minute.
Yeah. Smelly fuck up.
Does that smell?
Yeah, because that fan's blowing.
Can you tell what it is yet? Okay, so as you can see, we've marked all the points. Well, at least I hope you can see. We've marked all the points. Now, this isn't 100% accurate. This is just to give us a guide that when we're trying to line things up and weld things back on, it's, well, hopefully going to be in the right place. So Dom's now got his laser pointer out and we're just going to check a few other bits and pieces.
The centre of that.
Okay, centre of that. In the centre of the picture. Getting the hang of that, ain't we? God, is that the Green Lantern I could see?
Oh fuck, it's gone. Oh, it's back. Oh.
He is special.
He shoots, he scores. In the nuts.
Oops.
Oops.
That's pretty accurate, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's getting all excited now because his new laser measure is being used. I think he'll be going off to the toilet in a minute. Great news, we've hit 1,000 subscriptions, so thank you very, very much. And to celebrate, we've got some more stickers to give out, so if you want some stickers, stick a comment below, name, address, normal sort of stuff, and then we'll send some out in the post. Right, so that's the end of this video for this week. Thanks very much. I promise next week we'll actually get some welding done on the frame, but we'd rather take our time and get it right. Plus, obviously Dom's geeking out with his new measuring tool, his little laser thing.
So what you're calling it?
That's what we're calling it. He does like playing with his tool, but there you go. So, thanks very much. Give it a like, a subscribe, press the bell, and then you'll get notified when we put a video out. And we'll see you next time.